Before I tell you how good and quick this teeny tiny software is, let me show you in action. I have 5 files in front of me. Let's convert them in seconds. Right click, File Converter, PNG. Done. Right click, Convert Wave. Done. Right click, Converter MKV. Done. PNG file converter to JPG. Done. SVG file converter PNG. Done. As you can see how quick and easy it is. So let me tell you more about this software. To download this software, go to any browser that you have and write fileconverter.io and click OK, and here is the download option. Click on download. Now let's open it. Next, accept, next, and install. And finish. The software have been installed and it works only on right clicking and converting. It does nothing if you write this and file converter and will try to open it. It will just show you the method that how you can convert them. That's it. But you can do some settings like file converter, and if I open the settings, there are some things you can modify like application. Here you can automatically exit when all conversions finished. You can click here and set the settings. How many settings do you want before closing it? I will set it 1.5. Automatically check for updates, copy files in clipboard. You can do these settings if you want to, how many simultaneous conversions you want, and you can modify the presets too. For example, to MKV, you can output format, you can name it whatever you want, output format, its quality, encoding speed, audio, everything that you want to modify you can modify here. Like scale 25%, like if there is a video 1000 by 1000, it will be 250 by 250. So that's how you can do it. And after all the settings, you can just click on save. Here are all the supported output formats. It can convert FLAC, AAC, OGG, MP3, WAV, and all of these formats it can convert. But you need Microsoft account to convert these ones. These are the Microsoft Office files .doc, .odp. So you need to have a Microsoft account installed to convert these. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.